Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the avatar motion feature on DreamFace AI to create animated avatars. Let's get started. First, launch a DreamFace AI app on your phone. Make sure you log in on your account to access all the features. Then on the home screen, tap Avatar Motion. Here, you'll see different motion styles to choose from. Tap Add Avatar, then select a picture from your gallery that you want to animate. Tap Confirm to upload the image. Then browse through the available motion style and select your favorite. Tap Create to generate your animated avatar. Since this feature requires payment, you need to complete the payment process before the animation is generated. Once the DreamFace AI generates your video, preview it. And then if you're happy with the result, tap download to save it. You can also share it directly on social media or other apps. And that's it. Now you know how to use avatar motion feature on DreamFace AI. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.